can get cutscene glitch and despawn the area, which would be pretty much useless. But it would count, I would think.
It's hard.
What FPS are you at, Bumby?
60.
Okay, I did mine at
The
100.
Nelson race,
It
right?
was unlimited, but
The Nelson race is one that Vapo has both of?
No, that's the time trial.
Doesn't
Okay.
seem any different.
That's the Millhouse race.
I think it's the
Which is
angle.
over here.
That's the
Yeah.
better angle.
Like this.
Yeah.
What's his
yeah,
time
that's-
on this one?
Yeah, slightly to
For the
Yeah,
reset,
that's the way I did it.
that is 206 by 50.
206.55? Gotcha.
Yep.
One thing I don't understand is why the whole
Forgot to
new
start timer.
game starts with everything already unlocked if you've unlocked it before.
say, like... Huh?
The car fumes are making me dizzy.
Like if you, for this
Yes,
game,
I love
the
15
new
seconds
game
of the
isn't
race.
purely new
Yeah.
game.
Yeah.
unlocked.
It's incredible. honestly.
If you go to a menu, I don't get why you have all of your stuff even if you click new game.
Yeah, it's a glitch. It's probably not meant to be in the game.
I just beat my Never Trust. I just got a 304 Never Trust a Snake.
Sub
To be
3
fair,
never trust when.
It's probably doable, would be my guess. But that
It is
was
cool,
pretty
but
good.
it is bad though.
Yeah.
This strat sucks. I'm over it.
Actually, Clay Game has the same thing, and it spawns you closer for some reason. I don't even know why. To the cave, and you
haven't
unlock the
played
color
Clay
wand. That game is busted.
I was thinking about playing Clay Game, but then I saw this. I was like, yeah, cool. I'll play this instead.
Yeah. I think this is the better game.
I mainly just saw it when, it's a free game on Steam. I'll play that.
I found both of them just looking for free games.
Yeah.
Like, this would be cool speedrun.
It would be cool to see more people do a speedrun because it is actually quite fun.